Okay. So this is also just a little added how to do a surgeon's knot. But again, it's always the same 3-step process. So get my lines crossed, that's done. Step 2 is am I going to be tying right or left-handed? Well, my needle's over here, so it's right-handed. Step 3 then is finger or thumb, and this one's going to be a thumb because it's on bottom. So a surgeon's knot here, you come back around and you do that twice on the first time. And that's thought to hold your knot down tighter, and so it doesn't, you're less likely to air knot it. And then for this next one, then you do a finger throw, and then a thumb, and a finger. Something to work on is always keeping tension on your knot too, and always keeping that tight, because otherwise if you let it go, it'll kind of loosen up and you'll get an air knot.